Hey everyone, how's it going? As you can see in front of me, I do have a box here. This one came from a buddy off of Facebook, Mike Pissarro. A little bit of a backstory on this one real quick. He kind of mentioned in a Facebook group that he was looking to have a couple of people just send each other little $50 grab bags and open them up, kind of promote the Facebook page as well as create new, if not existing, respect and connections with people, maybe get some of these kind of started. He advised that he wanted to start at, like maybe like a $50 grab bag like this one, and then progressively get to bigger and better ones and get more people involved. So I did receive mine today. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. Let's see what we got. We got some packing peanuts here. Looks like nice bag in the holder. Cool. Make sure that was it. All right, and the packing peanuts, I'm sure my cats are gonna go nuts over, but it should be fun to watch. Pack this up real quick, put this aside. All right, let's see what we got here. Pull me. All right. Get this to work. There we go. Okay. Yes, you get a bill. I know. Okay. I think I made a comment that silver certificates and bills are kind of a staple of grab bags. Always kind of include them. I know I didn't include them, but oh, you don't always get a graded one though. Very nice. Currency grading and authentication. I actually have no bills in my collection anymore. I actually got rid of all of them whenever I switched over to coins, but it's really nice. And this is a star. I didn't even notice it, but star red note. Very cool. It's gonna look nice in the collection actually. I just got a new case to house everything. I'll show it to you in a second. But yeah, very cool. Awesome. Thanks, man. Let's see. Silver. All right. You're making me feel a little bit bad, man, because I did not package mine that I sent to him anything like this. It's just kind of all in a Ziploc bag that you kind of just pull out of. So, sorry, buddy. I'm sure he'll post a video of mine up as well, so you guys can see that horrible job that I did. Nice. United States Bicentennial Silver Uncirculated Set. I love the bicentennial design. I know it's pretty common, not a lot of people. I don't know. Every time I get a bicentennial, I still get a little bit excited about it. There we go. Very cool. Very cool. Nice, man. I appreciate it. It's very hard to add silver to a $50 grab bag. I mean, you know, you have the smaller stuff, the Mercuries, the Barbers, ones like that, which really aren't that hard. But you know, when you try and add anything like this, I mean, yeah, they're 40%, but I mean, you're reaching at least halfway point towards that $50 grab bag. You know, that $50 limit. So I definitely appreciate it. That one feels a little bit bigger. Let's go towards the other side this time. Oh, I didn't notice that there was a note. My bad. All right. Thanks again for taking the time to do this. I may have gone over the cap price a little. Who cares? Enjoy, Mike. I think I went over the cap price a little bit as well. So no worries, man. A lot of respect to you, and you know, I just hope that you enjoy it. I'm already enjoying this one, so I'm gonna save that one just for you, Michael. All right. Very cool. Yeah, you're definitely making me feel bad that I didn't. Oh, that's cool. I definitely didn't expect anything like that. Dude, that's awesome. Sealed? What's the date on these? 1991. That's pretty cool. For those of you that don't know, I was in the Marine Corps. So anything military related to me, just, you know, I get excited about. And, you know, Desert Storm, I was born in 90, so these in 1991, still very cool. Look very vintage, very awesome. So I don't think I'm gonna open these. I think I'm just gonna keep them as is, still sealed, but they are gonna look really cool next to the rest of my military stuff. So yeah, man, I appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and move into this one here, just since we're already talking military. You know, I really like the people whenever you're on Facebook or even on eBay. Sometimes you'll see little caveats on there that people will add shipping or do something for veterans. I just think that's really cool. You know, it is sometimes a thankless profession to be in, and not a lot of people really do jump into it. But you know, I'm really proud of my time in the military and my experiences and people that I've met, and you know, the stories that you hear from people that have been in. You know, it's crazy what some of them have been in. And dude, you sent me an ounce of silver from Sunshine Minting. Like, dude, yeah, you definitely went over on the price here, but I greatly appreciate it, man. Like this, it really does mean a lot. Thank you. All right. Okay. And for the last thing in the box, a little variety. Well, let's go ahead and see what that's about. If I can. Is it taped? Yep, it's taped.
I need to check the closet.
All right, 1 second. All right, and we'll go ahead and get into this box here. A variety of coins in here. Started off with, oh cool, 1964 Kennedy half. Actually, I've been looking for a D. No, it's not a D. That's okay. Oh, it's very cool. Awesome, man. 90%er. 1910. Very cool. Actually, I'll just taking a quick look. Looks like, because I just reopened my Dansko 7070, and a lot of these coins, well, okay, maybe not this one, but a lot of the coins that I'm seeing in here are actually going to be able to go into that 7070. A lot of the modern coins I really haven't looked into very much at getting, but this one's actually pretty cool. I don't have a lot of foreign coins, but thanks for including that in here. I always love the way that foreign coins look. I love the details and designs on them. Oh, this one's from 1867. That's cool, man. Thank you. We got a, oh, looks like a proof. Sacagawea, very cool. Gotta look at the side for the year on it. I think that says 2008. Very cool, man. Nice. Elizabeth Peratrovich. All right, very cool. Nice Barber dime, 1911. Mercury dime. Was that 1944? Very cool. I always like these ones, you know, you just look at the back and look at the smallest details on whether or not it's a full bands or not. They're just cool. It's a cool design. Another one that's going to go in the 7070. A Susan B. Anthony, looks like 1979. Very cool. Another one, I just really haven't gotten around to the modern coins. I've been kind of focusing on Morgans and the proof type sets, the vintage 19th century coins. But no, it's very cool whenever these do actually come available and kind of fall on your lap. So I appreciate it, man. Got a Jefferson nickel. Looks like 1941, pre-World War II. Do one more for the flips first. Buffalo. Is that? Yeah, 1937. Am I pushing my luck to think that there's only 3 legs? Of course I am. I'm just kidding. Very cool. I love the design of the buffaloes. I think it's probably my second favorite design on a coin, or US coin. All right, and then we got a couple capsules in here. We have 1959 Lincoln wheat cent, but dude, this one's red. This one's nice. Oh, sorry, I said wheat cent. I meant memorial. Sorry. Funny story though. My buddy claims that he found a 1959 wheat bag, but was never able to send me photos of the video of the coin, and really kind of haven't brought it up since then. So either it was fake or he sold it. I don't know, but unconfirmed. And then Indian cent. Oh, cool, 1908. And again, am I pushing my luck for an S? Of course I am, always. And this has been an awesome grab bag so far, man. I do greatly appreciate it. And definitely the added gift that you threw in there. You know, again, I'm proud of my veteran status. Jesus Christ, look at this wheat cent. That is blazing red. 1958 Denver Mint. Very cool. One hell of a way to end an awesome grab bag, my friend. I definitely look forward to doing more of these with you. And again, I greatly appreciate it. You guys go check out. I'll link his group in the bio, and I'll also link him in it as well. Tag it, And yeah, absolutely go ahead and check them out. This was a great bag. Thank you.